Hi guys, I really hope that you're enjoying this module. I wanted to take the time to talk to you a little bit about the Fun Activities tab and this really cool link. So we're going to go ahead and head to that now. So NASA Space Place is a really awesome website to learn about the solar system. It has different tabs that you can learn about different parts of it. So first, we have this where we can learn all about Earth. You can click on these links to find to answer some questions that you have. It has games, crafts, activities, etc. And a bunch of them are listed below. So you can just go ahead and click on whatever you're interested in and go ahead and do that. It has the same for the sun, as well as the solar system, universe, and science and tech. Another cool thing about this, as I mentioned before, are the games. They are super educational and fun. So you can go ahead and play those. They're always a hit, and here are some more games below that you can play. So I really suggest that you guys explore this website to learn more about the solar system.